Hi, I'm Rick, your P-Town insider and guide to the best Provincetown has to offer, with travel tips, tricks, and hacks to make the most of your time here at the tip of Cape Cod. Figuring out what restaurants are open in Provincetown can be super frustrating. In this video, I'll show you the best online resource that you'll want to bookmark and keep with you while you're here in town. So how do you find out what restaurants are open in P-Town? I don't know, look online, right? I guess. Google? Maybe. Facebook? Yelp? Does anyone still use Yelp? No, none of the above. The place you want to go? ptowndining.com. I created this website back at the beginning of the coronavirus pandemic just to help out the local restaurants. There was a lot of confusion about indoor dining, outdoor dining, who was open. It was just kind of crazy and it was changing all the time. So running around to all sorts of different websites just wasn't working for people. So the first time you access the P-Town Dining app at ptowndining.com, you'll get this little screen. It asks you and reminds you to save this website to your home screen. Makes it easier to find later on. When you open the app, you just get to browse, see what's open. Indoor seating, outdoor seating, takeout, delivery, curated collections about seafood every which way, vegan in a fishing village, and going gluten-free at Land's End. You can also see what restaurants are available to reserve a table, the list of all the vegan options, groceries and sundries, which are, liquor stores, package stores, convenience stores, the gas stations. And if you like the app, you can tip the web guy. Who's that? That's me. P-Town Dining is free to use. It's free for listings, but it costs a few bucks to keep it going. So if you find the app really useful, send a tip via PayPal, Venmo. You can send me a check too. At the bottom of the screen, you can check out what's open right now. Tap the Open Now button. It's just before 10 o'clock right now. You can see where you can go to get breakfast stuff. Oh, Stop and Shop is open if you just need to go and do your grocery shopping. Again, there's indoor, outdoor dining, and the very handy list of public restrooms that are open. Tap that little icon. You can even see a map. Anyway, that's P-Town Dining in a nutshell. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Anyway, that's the P-Town Dining app in a nutshell. Check it out. Add it to your home screen, add it to a bookmark, share it with your friends. So bookmark the P-Town Dining website, add it to your home screen so you'll have in your pocket everything you need to know about restaurants here in Provincetown. Hit the thumbs up if you found this helpful, and let me know in the comments if you've got any other questions. I also offer private guided tours of Provincetown to help you make deeper connections with the local community through stories of the art, culture, and history of Provincetown. So take a look at pedalptown.com. If you like this video, subscribe for my weekly updates or follow me on Facebook at P-Town Insider. And a huge shout out to Zoe Lewis for the use of Bicycle Song as the backing track for my videos. See you next time.